experiencing no sound in your Tesla Model 3? It's often due to audio amplifier failure, a common issue in models from 2017 onwards. This can stem from a blown audio fuse or a faulty amplifier module itself. We'll guide you through troubleshooting and fixes, incorporating Tesla's solutions and DIY methods. By 2026, Tesla has addressed these issues through recalls, software updates, and hardware improvements, but DIY fixes and professional repairs remain common. The first step in diagnosing Tesla Model 3 audio issues is checking the audio fuse. This is often the simplest and most common fix for complete audio loss. The audio fuse is a 15-amp fuse located in the front fuse box under the hood of the Tesla Model 3. To identify a blown fuse, visually inspect it for a break in the filament. A blown fuse will show a clear gap or damage in the thin wire inside. Replacement fuses are inexpensive, costing around $5 to $10. If the fuse is blown, replace it and test the audio system to confirm the fix. If the new fuse blows again immediately, there's likely a more serious issue such as a short circuit, requiring further investigation by a professional. Always disconnect the 12-volt battery before performing any DIY work on the fuse box to avoid electric shocks or shorts. If the fuse isn't the problem, the amplifier module itself may be failing. Common symptoms include no sound from any speakers, distorted audio output, or intermittent sound issues that come and go unpredictably. The amplifier module is typically located under the center console, hidden beneath the vehicle's interior trim. This centralized position allows it to distribute power efficiently to all speakers throughout the car. Tesla's service mode, accessible through the vehicle's touchscreen, can provide valuable diagnostic information about the amplifier module. This built-in tool helps identify error codes and system status without needing external equipment. A faulty amplifier module often results from overheating during extended high-volume use, component failures like damaged capacitors or transistors, or environmental factors such as humidity that can cause corrosion and electrical issues. Tesla has actively addressed these audio issues through software updates and recall campaigns. Major recalls in 2022 covered many Model 3s for amplifier module failures. Tesla's V12 and V13 software releases include enhanced diagnostics, detecting fuse or amp issues early. Over-the-air patches enable soft resets of the amplifier, sometimes restoring sound without hardware intervention. Check if your vehicle was part of any recalls and ensure your software is up to date. Start by disconnecting the 12-volt battery for safety to prevent electrical shocks or shorts during the replacement. Open the hood and locate the front fuse box, typically positioned near the front of the engine compartment on the driver's side. Check the fuse diagram, usually printed on the inside of the fuse box cover, to find the 15-amp audio fuse location. Using a fuse puller or needle nose pliers, gently pull out the old 15-amp fuse from its slot in the fuse box. Take a new 15-amp fuse and firmly insert it into the same slot, ensuring it's seated properly. Reconnect the 12-volt battery terminals securely. Close the hood and test the audio system to confirm sound is restored. While fuse replacement is a straightforward DIY task that most owners can handle with basic tools, amplifier module replacement is much more complex and typically requires professional expertise. The amplifier module involves intricate electrical connections and diagnostic procedures, and it's often covered under Tesla's warranty programs. Attempting this repair without proper tools can void warranties or cause further damage. Seek professional assistance from a Tesla service center or qualified EV technician if software resets or fuse replacement doesn't resolve the issue, or if you're uncomfortable working with electrical components. Tesla strongly recommends professional service for module replacements due to warranty implications and repair complexity. For best results, schedule an appointment at your nearest Tesla service center where certified technicians can diagnose and repair the issue safely and efficiently. To prevent future audio issues in your Tesla Model 3, follow these key measures. First, avoid overloading the audio system with aftermarket subwoofers or other modifications that can strain the amplifier and blow fuses. Second, keep the vehicle interior dry to prevent moisture damage that can corrode electrical components and cause amplifier failures. Looking ahead, Tesla is shifting towards software-centric fixes that can resolve many audio issues through over-the-air updates. AI-enhanced diagnostics are being integrated to predict potential failures based on driving data, preventing issues before they happen. Future Model 3s may include modular amplifier designs that allow for easier replacement and support Tesla's sustainability goals through recyclable components. Let's recap the key points for troubleshooting Tesla Model 3 audio issues. Troubleshooting begins with checking the audio fuse in the front fuse box for blowouts that can cut power to the system. Next, diagnose the amplifier module located under the center console, which can fail due to overheating or defects. Tesla's software updates and recalls have addressed most issues through over-the-air fixes and free hardware replacements. While simple fuse replacements can be done DIY at low cost, complex module repairs require professional assistance to maintain safety and warranty. To minimize future problems, take preventative measures like avoiding audio overloads and protecting against moisture. Finally, always remember to consult professionals for safety reasons and to preserve your warranty when dealing with Tesla's electrical systems.